My name's David Freestone. I've worked for Rail Gourmet for 9 years and I'm an on-train service manager.
My name is Shanea Thomason. I've worked for Rail Gourmet for 1 year and 8 months.
It's changed the way I work in the respect that the cleaning regime is absolute paramount at the moment. The cleaning regime now is far more detailed in terms of keeping not only the trains clean, but making sure that customers are protected, our staff are protected, and that everybody is sort of COVID aware.
The pandemic has changed the way that I work because normally I'm on board doing trolley hosts and now we're making sure that customers are safe by cleaning the train that they're on.
People I work with, our client EMR, East Midlands Railways, customers. It's the reason we get out of bed, it's the reason we come to work, and knowing that we're keeping everybody safe and secure is the real motivation.
What motivates me in my role is making sure that I can engage with customers and making sure that everyone else is safe.
Customer safety is absolutely paramount. It's the reason we come to work, and it goes a long way in keeping everybody safe and secure, knowing that eventually things can get back to a normal.
Customer safety is important to me. If it was the other way around, I'd like to feel safe when travelling with EMR.
Following government guidelines, there's a huge amount of safety precautions that have been implemented. Temperature test the moment you come to work, the equipment that's provided in terms of antibacterial sprays, the gloves that we wear, the PPE that's provided, and also the risk assessments and all the background support that's been put in place. It's a huge amount of effort.